Hey guys, so what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can change the font inside your spreadsheets on Google Sheets in 2026. So let us get started. So navigate to the given spreadsheet or document, and then guys double click into the cell to change the text or to highlight the text. And now you can change the font here next to the font size. For me it was set to Arial on the default, but you can go with any of these, right? So for example, I don't know, right? For example, any of these here, you can browse through that list or click it to more fonts here. And then go through that list here. For example, select different scripts, right? Like for example, Arabic, Chinese, Bengali, Cyrillic. And yeah, look for the fonts you'd like to add. And then if you'd like to add them, let me go for example with this one here. It will be added to your list here to the right. Click into done. And now you can, for example, select the given font from here. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.